Indices today traded with a little bullishness yesterday. What a swing we have seen yesterday! Major swing. The sharp drop with the data, and what a strong recovery. Specifically, we have seen Tech 100 rising sharp. In fact, US 30 was the one to follow, and S&P was the not the one which is left behind. We have seen all the three rallying strongly with the US session. Now, what to expect today? We have the data, PPI data, and the jobless claims data, which should definitely bring a little volatility. And how to profit with that, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Every day, first update is released with the Asia and Europe session. And subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start in this update first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, and in the end Dow Jones. Now see, you can see what a move here. After staying here in zone, we have seen a sharper reversal, sharper drop till towards 5400, and what a strong recovery it has posted. It has hit 55, 50, 55, 80 zone, and right now you can see the movement despite you can say the movement is very less so far for the day, but it is still respected the bullishness here. And also if you look at the formation rise retracement, now it is very important for the prices to trade below 55, 50, 55, 40 zone. For once there is a possibility that it could move towards 55, 50, 55, 40 zone, and if it breaks below 55, 40, you can say slight bearishness will prevail. What is happening? It is waiting for the moving average to climb up, retrace towards this, and then the bearishness or bullishness might prevail. If you look at the hourly chart, see lower highs, lower lows are seen. Well, I will rather recommend you to in fact sell here at 55, 60 levels itself, but then it is definitely going to be a little risk as long as 55, 50, 55, 40 zone is not taken. Stochastic here is comfortable. MACD here is crossed over, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, and see rise retracement, rise retracement possible. RSI very near to the top. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here. We have seen a bit of consolidation. We have seen lower highs here. Possibility of it to break on the downside exists. Once it stays below 55, 50, 55, 40 zone, chances of a sharper move on the downside cannot be denied. Yes, if it could rise sharp, it could drop sharp again as well. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green. It is still trading bullish. RSI is flat at top. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Right now, after the rise, it is forming a nice flag here. Let it come out of this 55, 50, 55, 40 zone. That will earmark the reversal towards 5520 and 5500. Now 5500, 54 460, this is going to be the strongest support zone for the day. As long as it stays above this, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, there is a possibility of a slight retracement, but again, I will not treat this as a bearish move as long as 5460 is not taken. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see the bullishness has got diminished, but I can say that still the bears are not taking the charge here. Only and only 5450, 5440 levels are taken, and it is possible that the current candle might take it down, and once it stays below 5440, more bearishness towards 5520. Oh sorry, 55 40 55 50 levels are not taken, below which you can expect 5520, 5500, and then 5480, 5460, below which it could reverse completely and we can see a greater drop. If you look at the formation here, rise retracement, rise, it could retrace, it could move towards this zone again. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily chart, if you look at daily chart, see flat bottom here, and since then we have seen it rising. Where it has come towards, it has in fact breached the point from which this drop is started, and it is right now looking upwards. But I can see slightly higher highs, and it could come back towards this zone to close at around 5500. This possibility you cannot deny. Also, what is happening here? Rise retracement, and now see this is what it is trading in, and the current levels are going to remain crucial till 5580. We have to be watchful, beyond which you can expect 5600, 5620, and 5650 levels, and I do not see it breaking beyond 5650. I think it is going to be definitely difficult. But if you look at the formation drop lower highs, it can move towards. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI rising. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 5470, 5575, 80 zone. Expect that we are looking forward to 5600, 5615, and then 56, 5615, 20, very good resistance, and then we can look forward to 5640, 5630 levels very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 5555. expect it to move towards 55 50 55 40 levels. Once it drops below 55 40, you can say major bearishness will prevail, and then we can look forward to 55 20 5500 5480 5460 levels, and below that a major crash can prevail, which can reverse the trend completely towards 54 40 and lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq Tech 100 on the hourly charts, staying in the zone. Likewise, what we had seen in the S&P, and right now you can see a very good support zone is created in 19200. It is very important for Tech 100 to trade below 19200 and 150 zone. This is going to be a critical support zone. Any drop below this should earmark the reversal here in Tech 100. Also, if you look at the formation on the upside, it has got a stronger resistance here. Every rise has been offset with a drop. So yes, as long as it stays above below 19320 we should not be treating this as bullish as well. It is forming a nice bullish flag. Any drop below 19240 200 is a further sign of more bearishness. The stochastic has dropped. MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI overbought here, trying to cool down a bit. Coming to the 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour charts preceding three candles and see the current candle also closing, uh, preceding three candles closing at the top bottom, and now this is continuing here. So possibly once it stays below 19240 zone, you can say we will look forward to a greater correction here. The targets are towards 19 one see 19200 170 is anyways good support. Below that 19120 100, and then 19050 19000 levels will appear here, which is definitely going to prove out to be a greater support zone. Stochastic has fallen from the overbought levels. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, similar observation to what we had seen in the 2 hour charts. Only thing here is lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to stay below 19240 200 zone. Very good support is seen here. Moving average is crossing over here, looking up for certainly is a sign of bullishness. Stochastic falling from the overbought zone. MACD bullish, RSI overbought on the 3 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, you can see this. After diminishing bullishness is seen, first red candle, possibly a second red candle may appear, and this is going to be stronger one. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD rising, RSI flat at top. Coming to daily, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See, certainly you can find out the resistance 19600, very strong. What it is delivering here is this: a drop retracement, and now it has hit the peak. And once it stays below 19200 today, possibly that will confirm further bearishness, and specific 19120 130 and then 19050. I think the reversal on the upside is going to be difficult, and then it could completely move on the downside. The complete reversal cannot be denied here. Stochastic overbought, MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI flat. Right now the stance is not bearish as of now, but yes, it is not bullish as well. If it stays above 19320 350 zone, then you can look forward to a rise which can take it towards 19400 450, and then we can look forward to a greater move towards 19600 levels, the chances for which appears to be less as far as my opinion is concerned. On the downside, you can sell here at 19240 zone. Expected to move towards 19170 180, first target zone, 19120 the next, 19050 the third, 19000 the fourth, and below 19000 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 18900 18800 and in fact lower levels here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US 30 after the rise yesterday is now staying in a zone here, forming a nice bullish flag within a narrow zone. You can see the support levels here at 4840 4820 is very strong. This zone here, it needs to break in order to turn bearish for the day. Right now you can see this, it is delivering higher lows, lower highs, and higher highs near term, but last four candles you have seen it giving consolidation candles. Thus once it stays below 4900 and 4870, see 4900 870 840 820, very strong supports here. The movement here is diminished, but once it breaks out, it is going to give you a stronger move. Also, if you look at, you can see this This is the zone where the maximum resistance lies for US 30 at 41,000. What it has done, it is right now delivering lower highs, and you can also notice lower lows. So this is a definitely expanding triangle here. So once it reverses today, and if it stays below 4800 700 zone, we can look forward to a greater correction here. Stochastic comfortable, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI staying flat here. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, similar observation here, higher lows, lower highs. It has to give a breakout. If any move beyond 41,000, 41,020 is a sign of reversal and a breakout here on the upside. Yes, it is a nice bullish flag formation. Let it stay above 41,020. That will only confirm the reversal, or you can say a breakout. Moving averages crossing over here. This is again a sign of bullishness. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation on the 3 hour charts here, and this is under consolidation as of now. Let it give a breakout either which ways. Stochastic rising, MACD flat. Coming to 4 hour charts, similar observation here. And looking at the preceding few candles, see this higher lows, higher highs are still seeing, and move beyond 41,000, 41,020 or 41,050 is to be treated seriously, where you can look forward to 41,180, 200 as the next targets, and 41,300, 350 as the next. I'll still expect a reversal for a down move. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to now, look at the daily chart. See, preceding few candles, lower highs and lower lows were seen. Today, it has already started to give a breakout here. Also, you should notice the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at 41,000 should be a greater resistance for the day, and a preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. Though from these levels, it is not that it cannot reverse, it cannot drop, but yes, I think it is going to find it difficult. As long as it stays above 40,700, I will not treat this as bearish. As once it drops below 40,700, chances will be high that we can look forward to a move towards 40,500, 40,400 levels. Else, what it is trying to do, it is trying to deliver a breakout here. 41, if it breaks beyond 41,000, 41,050, we can look forward to a move towards 41,200, and then beyond 41,200 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish, and RSI rising here. Looking at, I will recommend you to buy here at 49.60 and expect it to move towards 41,000, 41,020 first target, 41,060 the next, and then 41,200 levels will appear here. If it breaks this, I think we can look forward to 41,180, 200 as the next targets. On the down and beyond 41,200, sky is the limit. It can move towards 41,300, 400, 500 as well. But I am still skeptical of such a rise. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 41,870, 4870. Expect it to move towards 48, 4,800. 4760, 4700. Once it drops below 40,700, you can say that the bear attack will be seen, and then you can look forward to a greater correction, which can take the prices towards 40,500 in lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch every day the first update. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank you.